Hey Jim, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for commenting on my post the other day on Facebook. And I just wanted to make a quick video for you and go over a few things with you on how you can boost your online presence. And at the end of this video, all I ask is if you could possibly give back some feedback, that would be greatly appreciated. So I don't want to take up too much of your time. Let's just go ahead and get into this. Um, the things I want to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is anything that you see on the front page of your website. Any wording that's ever used, any photos that are ever used, how those photos are saved, and what's behind those photos are all a part of content. Now, Google recommends that you have about 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on competition and the number of keywords needed. Now, a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these specific keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So it looks like you got a lot of options here for keywords. Your pressure washing, soft washing, window cleaning, all sorts of things that you can take and implement into your content to be able to boost your Google searches. Now, I took a look at a couple competitors in the area for things that you offer, and they have quite a bit of content on this one here, and that gives them more chances to implement keywords into their website. And that's definitely important because that makes you more searchable on Google and for be able to have customers find you when they're looking for a particular service. Now, the next thing I want to go over with you is called backlinks. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another website. Now, these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins, aka people's websites pointing back at them. Now, however, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting that you want something relevant to your industry, and local websites are going to be what works best. Now, I have a tool that I can use where I'm able to see how many backlinks your website currently has. And your website is sitting here at 100. And looking at the other two websites that we just saw, one has 252 backlinks and another one has over 1,000. So basically with this tool, we're able to help research what backlinks they have to be able to give you not only the same backlinks, but get us a chance to get you more backlinks. That then puts more people towards your website. Now, the next thing is going to be citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly per Google Business Profile. Now, citations help you rank in what we call the map pack here. Now, this is extremely important for local businesses since these can help generate huge amounts of revenue. So I looked up a couple different ones because I've seen that you actually are ranking in some map packs depending on what is searched. Like for rain gutter cleaning, you are not a part of this top 3 on the map pack, but when I look up pressure washing, you're up at the top, and that's based on how your keywords are also doing as well. So with the keywords and the citations are going to include directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, the Better Business Bureau, and hundreds of others that you might have heard of. Now, another great tool to use is social media accounts as well. Now, the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google's going to trust you. And once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is going to be to rank you above them. And now, once your content, backlinks, and citations come together, that's when you start to outgrow your competitors. Now, I'm not sure what your margins at the moment are, but I imagine this will start to generate some pretty decent revenue for you. Also, there's usually many more keywords you can use that generate more traffic and leads. And I can use that tool as well that I showed you earlier to see how many keywords are being used by you and your competition so you can see which ones you would like to try to boost up on. Now, again, Jim, I wanted to say thank you for letting me take the time to be able to make this for you. And if you ever do find yourself wanting more information to continue scaling as far as you want, please feel free to reach out and I can help any way I can. I can get you more information or or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for you and your business and what it might take to actually reach those goals. And once again, my name is Brittany, and thank you for letting me take the time. Please feel free to reach out to me anytime, either message me on Facebook. I'm also going to add my email and my phone number in. You can text me, call me, email me, whichever you like. But I appreciate you letting me make this video for you. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And thank you again.